Stop namin muna to. Stop. Okay guys, kumain lang si Daphne, okay?
Wait, what? How are we gonna make it through this?
I'm back.
And we're at the tunnel.
Okay, really made it through, right?
I hope so. Oh geez, stuff's blowing up in here. We gotta go
Lit
quick.
naman
We gotta
yan.
go. We gotta go. I'm trying. Me too.
Just eating, guys. Just face reveal. I joke lang.
Am I going backwards now? This is
Gusto
backwards.
nyo ba ako yung mag-face reveal?
I wanna be stuck in this tunnel.
Sabihin niya sa comment, yes if no, okay if no.
We just died. Because
Yes,
I will not turn around.
mag-face reveal kaya ako. Sabihin niyo sa comment yes, okay? Kung mag-face reveal ako.
We might have to take the
Yeah.
helicopter, unfortunately. Alright, we're on
Sinabi
the
ni
way.
Rogan. Yung tawa mo pahigop.
Okay, well, looks like we're stuck in the tunnel. Take me. Where even am I? Can I get in my monster truck?
Lang. Bakit ka lang emoji? Ganito na lang.
One down. Oh, I see you. Oh, wow. What in the world?
Bakit ka nang
Crashing down next to us at all times.
Wait
Hey,
lang.
don't be running into the back of my car, Shady. How about you just drive faster now?
Yes, kakain lang si Daphne ulit. What? Saan pupunta siya?
They're inside.
Wait! What the fuck? Wait, I'm going to go teleport to your house, girl. Ay, hindi mo balita. Ha? Yan na yung pamilya natin. Isang remember.
We're gonna go straight to the water. I don't know what to do. We're doing take the helicopter. We made it over the water just with our monster. I think we will. I'm gonna make sure you guys
What?
have a helicopter.
Lang!
Might be the
Sige,
rest
di
of
mo.
Thank you, Mr. Miner. You know, you getting hungry?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Me too. Also, there's a UFO out there. I'm not sure if I should get you.
Guys, nag-vlog na talaga tayo. Okay, si Laila sabi niya si yes na kayo. So, let's go! Let's go!
Likes to glitch out when we stop a lot.
Punta ka dito, mommy. Mommy. Mommy, come here. Mommy. Mommy.
He
Wait
doesn't
lang,
stop
ina.
my friend with snacks. No. I know. Also, this monster truck is going so fast, I need to slow it down.
We're going up, slower moment. Abigard. We're going down. First, we're...
Oh, no, that is disgusting. If you didn't know, at 20,000 meters, there's apparently...
Tang ina.
I'm not sure what that little rock makes the monster truck
I'm sorry for the burp.
Yeah, let's get back.
So Rami burp. What tag? What? Guys, let's match. Pero Gairo,
But I don't know if that makes up for how hard the drive is. Please let me over this rock. Oh, thank you. Yes, we're actually through. I thought that was gonna be a lot harder than it was. And at least some of the house was.
Gairo, kaming Gairo.
Are you good back there, Sadie? Yeah, I'm doing
Aray!
good. Okay, we're at 11,000, 12,000 coming soon. Looks so awesome. Let's see you guys. You must have lied. I got him. Thank you. I really can't see the road right now.
Aray! Suna ang team. Suna ang team. Bukan. Igari.
Stop by. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm not stopping by that house.
Pangit mo kasi.
Yeah. If we're gonna stop somewhere, I want it to be huge. We've been kind of past the mansion.
Sorry. Uy, dapat pina Gairi. Ay, Gairo. Mamaya yung kwan ang picnic. Rococo. We're going up ceremony.
There's some weird red glowing stuff in there. Let me just go get my minigun just in case.
Hoy, sino nagkulog sa akin? Hoy, bakit ba? I don't like this hair anymore. Uy, baba, skirt, dress, bobo. Sak ng dito ulit.
Wait, please. You're almost there. Come on. Yes, it's on the car.
I'm vlogging. Someone in our vlog. Is ano member? Our group. Our girls group. Ano yan? Ano yan?
Oh, thank goodness we stopped. You might as well get as much cash. Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure why it stayed in the game. That's kind of weird.
Bye guys.